Good YouTube, this your boy Money Kivo 392 back with another video for y'all, man. And today, this is the last time y'all gonna see my little steering wheel, man, looking on plain, man. Got something that came in today, man, as y'all can see in the description, man, in the title, man. Yep, we got him. We finally got him, man. The paddle shifters, man. Open these up for y'all, man. Don't mind my hand, man. I'm a little ashy, man. Just get out the shower and stuff, man. But yeah, man. Here they go, man. Paddle shifters, man. Take them out the pack for y'all. Okay, guys. I just unboxed the paddle shifters in here. All right, look at them. I like them, man. Got like a little gloss to them. Yeah. No more plain steering wheel, man. And I did order these from American Muscle, and they came with cool little decals, man. I don't know where I'm gonna put these at yet, but yeah. American Muscle, man. Make sure y'all shop with them, man. That's where I'm gonna get all my stuff now. For now on, American Muscle. So yeah, man. I'm gonna wipe the back of these off right here and try to stick these on, and I'll turn you guys back on, man. All right, back. Guess you wanna join us, you guys? Yeah. Baby girl wanna join us. Say hey to the channel.
Hi.
Okay, so first what y'all wanna do is wipe off the back of this old paddle shifters with the alcohol. I prefer alcohol. You know, I don't know what y'all got at home, but you know, alcohol work best. Cut it off a little bit. Yeah, it came with them little stickers. All right, and what you want to do is stick this on the back of this that came with it. I guess it holds it. It's like a sticker that holds on the back of that. Okay, let me, I'm gonna have to turn you guys. Okay, no, she can hold it.
Okay.
Do this real quick. Okay.
He's ashy.
Yeah, I told him already. I said, y'all gotta excuse me.
We can't excuse that.
Go ahead. This ain't kind of sticky. God dang. All right, you guys, as you can see, I put the first one on. She looking good. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to put this one on. Best you gotta stick this right here. Kind of line it up the best way you can. Yeah, the best way you can. Might have to do it. Okay. Let me do a replacement for y'all. Gotta be perfect for the tube, man. Okay, that's the best way it's gonna stick. For something like this, you know.
Yeah.
I don't want to touch it too much. Then just line it up, and you mash onto it, and you hold it. Just like this. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Give it time to stick. I heard you can heat it up or something like that, you know, with a blow dryer and all that, but we ain't got time for all that. We don't do all that. You know, I ain't got time to stick your blow dryer and stuff. Okay. That's how she look. See, that's the gas mask, y'all. That's the smoke coming from the gas mask, not us. But yeah, I'm gonna turn you guys back on if I want to do a POV or something. But yeah, that's how she look. She looks right to me. Hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe. Money Kivo, yes sir. YouTube, your boy is back. About to give you guys a POV with the new paddle shifters. Yes sir. They looking good. They looking good. They looking good. Give y'all a little POV, man. Give y'all a little POV when I get on this highway, man. Hold on. Let me smack her till yeah, baby. This thing sound good, man. Let me roll the window down a little bit for y'all, man. Nah, that ain't gonna make it. That made it kind of worse, man. Oh, I see a challenge. I see a wide body. Let's see what he on. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a hellcat. That's a hellcat. Oh my God. He might well come play, man. Come on and work me, man. I enjoy the footage. Oh, he coming, y'all. Hellcat coming. Hellcat coming. Oh my God. Oh my God. I ain't fucking with him. I can't fuck with him. I'ma show him some love. I'ma show him some love. And that's why I love this car community, man. Money Kivo 392, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, baby.